Conversation between shareholders and accountant for a year-end accounting closing. Shareholder 1, could you provide us with a comprehensive update on the current status of the accounting closing process? Accountant, certainly. We have completed the reconciliation of all critical accounts, including bank ledgers, supplier balances, customer aging schedules, and major accruals. The general ledger is now substantially aligned with its supporting documentation. Shareholder 2, have you detected any material discrepancies during the review? Accountant, yes. We identified valuation inconsistencies in inventory records and several supplier invoices still pending. These items are being evaluated with the operations department to ensure appropriate adjustments. Shareholder 1, what key accounting adjustments remain before we can formally finalize the closing? Accountant, we still need to record depreciation, amortization, provisions for doubtful accounts, accrued expenses, and the final inventory adjustments based on the physical count. Shareholder 2, how is the fiscal reconciliation progressing regarding tax obligations? Accountant, we are conducting an in-depth review of deductible and non-deductible expenses, reconciling VAT transactions, validating withholding tax reports, and preparing the preliminary taxable income calculation in line with current tax regulations. Shareholder 1, should we anticipate a significant variation in this year's tax burden? Accountant, projections indicate a moderate increase in tax liability due to higher operational activity. However, we are applying all legally permissible deductions, credits, and incentives to optimize the fiscal impact. Shareholder 2, have you identified any tax-related risks or compliance gaps? Accountant, yes. Certain expenses lack sufficient supporting documentation, and several statutory reports require updates to fully comply with regulatory requirements. We are correcting these items to minimize exposure. Shareholder 1, what is the current status of the payroll closing? Accountant, the payroll close is in its final phase. We processed the last payroll cycle, including overtime, bonuses, variable compensation, vacation settlements, and all mandatory social benefit calculations. Shareholder 2, were any anomalies detected within the payroll records? Accountant, yes. We found inconsistencies in overtime submissions for several employees. Human Resources is validating the data to ensure accuracy before finalizing the reports. Shareholder 1, are Social Security and PAR fiscal contributions fully reconciled? Accountant, yes. All contributions were reviewed and matched with payroll summaries to confirm complete compliance with labor and Social Security regulations. Shareholder 2, what is the status of year-end labor provisions? Accountant, all provisions have been updated, including vacation accruals, severance interest, and annual bonus accruals. The balances accurately reflect the company's obligations. Shareholder 2, are the financial statements nearing completion? Accountant, yes. The balance sheet and income statement are essentially finalized. We are completing the footnotes, disclosures, and supplemental schedules required for full presentation. Shareholder 1, when will the complete closing package be available? Accountant, by the end of the week. The package will include financial statements, fiscal reconciliation, payroll closing reports, compliance documentation, and the executive analytical summary. Shareholder 2, will the executive summary include strategic recommendations? Accountant, absolutely. I will outline recommendations for improving operational efficiency, strengthening internal controls, and optimizing accounting, tax, and payroll processes.